Today we will learn to simulate the VHS effect in your videos. For this, we will use the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. I hope you find it useful. In this timeline I have 3 videos. If you also have a set of clips, and you want to apply the VHS effect to all of them, I recommend using an adjustment clip. We drag it to the timeline on top of our video clips. We adjust the duration of the adjustment clip. Now all the changes we make will modify everything that is below the adjustment clip. The next step is to go to the color module of DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you have activated the panel of clips, nodes, and effects. All the changes we make have to be in the adjustment clip. Check that you have selected the adjustment clip and not a video file. To get the VHS effect in just one click, we will look for the analog damage effect. As you can see, this changes the appearance of our video to an old VHS video. You can select several different models such as 60s, 70s, 90s, 80s, VHS Sharp, and also old VHS. We have several presets already done, but there are a huge number of sections that we can modify to our liking. Now I will show you the most important. Go to Broadcast Signal, and in this section we can reduce or increase the size, color, or the amount of chroma noise. Now you just have to try until you find the setting you want. You can also vary the loss settings to get an image blur and changes in the chroma aspect of our video. I repeat, all these sections are very subjective. Change the parameters until the image is to your liking. Another interesting function is the scan option, where we can move our video horizontally and vertically or get an animated effect in V-Hold. If you do not want the video to have these black spaces on the edges, modify the H-shift and V-shift until that the image is centered. Then increase the overscan, and that's it. One of the most important parameters are the scan lines. They simulate the typical lines of an old tube TV. You can change the sharpness and frequency of these lines. I recommend that you put the scan lines in your video, but do not exaggerate them too much. Try to be discreet. In television construction, you will be able to simulate the square format of old televisions. Activate the edge mask, and here you can change the curvature and the aspect to your liking. Finally, in the VHS section you can get a rather curious distortion. I put this distortion down and make it not too big. Like that, it seems like a small VHS glitch. Now if we go back to the DaVinci Edit module and play, we will see that the VHS effect has been applied to all the clips. I hope the tutorial has served you, and you are a master doing VHS effect. See you in the next video.